My name is Vish, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to manifest a totally new life fast using the Be Do Have framework of reality creation. When I got this, everything literally changed for me. And if you start applying the Be Do Have framework in your life right away, you can create literally anything that you want. Reality in any given moment is responding to who you're choosing to be. And when you choose to shift yourself at the identity level, reality has no choice but to respond by manifesting manifestations that represent who you are. Stick around for the rest of this video because I'm going to share with you why the Be Do Have paradigm works and why it is the foundation of how we create our reality. And I'm also going to share with you how you can use each step to create anything that you want. The Be Do Have paradigm of reality creation is the most powerful yet simplest understanding of how the creation process works. And when you apply it, your life will change dramatically. The problem is most people have it in reverse. Most people believe that first they need to have something. So maybe more money, a better relationship, or more love. And then when they have that thing, then they'll be able to do whatever they want. So when they have more money, they'll quit their job and they'll pursue their passion. And then once they do this action, they'll be something. So they'll be happy, they'll be free, they'll be fulfilled. The issue here is that most people are going down this path of creating their reality, but reality doesn't actually work this way. Reality works in the total reverse. So in order to have something, first you must be what you are going to be when you have it, or what you believe you are going to be when you have it. So first you must choose to be happy. And then when you choose to be happy, you will do from that happy state. When you take action and you do from a happy state, your actions will lead to you having the very thing that you desire. If you believe that you first must have something, before you can then do something, before you can then be what you really truly want to be, it will never work. Because reality is a mirror reflecting back to you what you are being at any time. So if you choose to be happy, happiness will be reproduced in the physical world as a result of what you've chosen to feel, and not the other way around. So the way to use the Be Do Have paradigm is to first decide what you want to have. So maybe you want $1 million, or you want to be running a business that you love, making a difference in the world. Maybe you want a partner that understands you, having a really great ideal relationship. Decide what you want to have, and that's the starting point. Once you decide what you want to have, then the next step is to skip the do and close your eyes, visualize, reflect on it, and find what will you be when you have this thing, when you have what you want. So for example, if you want money and you feel like you'll be free when you have money, and being free is the B element of Be Do Have, then choose to be free now. And you can do this by visualizing your end goal and detaching from the outcome, and allowing the feelings of being there to flood your body, because your mind really can't tell the difference between what is happening and what is imagined. However, you can get to the state of being. Choose to be free now. Choose to remove the importance that you've placed on needing to have something before you can feel it. And when you feel free, the doing will happen naturally. You won't even have to really think about what to do or really make yourself do, because when you're in the state of freedom, the right action will just come out. However, if you do feel like you don't know the next step, then a simple question to ask yourself is, what's the next tiniest step I can take towards what I want to have? And when you do this, you will find that the things you want to create will be created with far less effort. because you're coming from this powerful energy of being. Our energy creates everything, our vibration, our state. When we're choosing to be happy, choosing to be free, choosing to feel abundance already. This is the source of creation. You can't expect to be feeling angry, feeling frustrated, feeling disappointed with your life, feeling ungrateful, and then create amazing things that you're going to be grateful for. You can't expect to create abundance if you feel scarce, if you feel lack. This is why it's crucial to work on this part of reality first, to work on the being. Because when you work on the being, you're literally setting up the energetic foundation from which you're going to create all magic. If you're feeling lackful, no matter what actions you take towards abundance, you can't create it. Whereas on the other hand, if you first put in the energy to feel abundant, everything you touch from there will turn to gold. When I learned the be, do, have paradigm, everything literally shifted for me. And I know that if you apply this in your life, everything is going to shift positively for you as well. If you give this a go, let me know how you went by hitting the like button and leaving me a comment below. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you're notified of all new videos I put out. And if you want my personal help in raising your vibration and creating a life that you love, you can apply for a free one-to-one consult with me. The link is in the description below. As always, I appreciate you joining me. Thank you so much for being here. Until next time, much love, and I will see you in the next video.